Property Owner Files, Season 2, Episode 1, Why This Eviction Took 9 Months. Season 1 showed what happens inside the property. Season 2 shows what happens after, in courtrooms, paperwork, and waiting rooms. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. Why this eviction took 9 months. The rent stopped in January. The tenant was legally evicted in September. 9 months. Not because the landlord waited. Not because paperwork was missing. Not because anyone made a mistake. Because this is how the system works. Today's file isn't about a bad tenant. It's about time. About delays, rules, and the space between what landlords expect and what the law actually allows. Stay until the end, because the landlord did everything right and still lost more than they imagined. When the rent stopped, the landlord acted immediately. Notice sent. Timeline followed. Lawyer consulted. Everything was done by the book. And still, nothing happened. Weeks passed. The tenant stayed. Utilities stayed on. Costs continued. This is the first shock new landlords experience. Eviction doesn't start when rent stops. It starts when the clock allows it to. Still watching? The first court date explains everything. The landlord showed up prepared. Documents printed. Evidence organized. Confidence high. The tenant showed up too, and asked for more time. The judge granted it. Not because the tenant was right, but because the system prioritizes process over speed. Another date was set. Weeks later, this pattern repeated. Continuances, rescheduling, delays stacked on delays, each one completely legal, each one costing the landlord money, and the property sat untouched. During those 9 months, the landlord paid for everything: mortgage, taxes, insurance, maintenance, with zero income. Evictions aren't expensive because of lawyers. They're expensive because of time. Time drains cash flow. Time increases risk. Time erodes patience. And during that time, landlords can't inspect freely, can't renovate, can't recover losses. They wait. Still watching? The final ruling didn't end the story. When the eviction was finally granted, the landlord felt relief. Until they re-entered the property. 9 months of unchecked living had taken its toll. Repairs, cleaning, unexpected damage. The tenant left quietly, but the loss remained. Winning in court didn't mean winning financially. And that's when the landlord realized something important. The legal system doesn't restore losses. It just decides who has the right to move on. Evictions don't fail landlords. Expectations do. This landlord didn't plan for 9 months without income. They didn't budget for delays. They assumed action meant resolution. But in real estate, action starts the clock. It doesn't stop it. In the next file, we open a case where the tenant knew the law better than the landlord and used it. This eviction took 9 months, and that wasn't unusual. In the next file, the tenant knew exactly how to slow everything down. Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files.